How you doing? That's great. I'm doing great. What are these things? What are these little plants here? Oh. Well, that doesn't sound so bad. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Yeah, I'm fine. I don't think they like me. Yo, these ones are. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Damn! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! My mental stability is fine, but where he's taking. Okay. What is my name? Shit, man. The name's Daryl. I clean laundry.
Can I get a name for the order?
Daryl Dixon.
Okay, can I get a phone number first?
Gives him the slingshot that phone to his, gives him.
Can you hurry it up? We got a situation over here.
Yeah, that's it. I clean laundry. I am very devoted to our city and subsequently to Cortex. Very, very devoted. I'm willing to whatever Cortex in the city needs. Why do you ask? Okay. No, not that I remember. No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, sure. That sounds fine. Wow, what is this place? It looks very hot, actually. Ah! No! 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 Ah!